In today's case, we enter the courtroom for State versus Devian Cole, a 70-year-old facing serious felony charges for tampering with physical evidence. What unfolds is more than a sentencing. It's a raw look at youth crime, family instability, and a judge determined to change a young man's path. Watch closely. This hearing reveals how one mistake can shape a lifetime. Let's break down every key ruling, every legal nuance, and every hard truth in this gripping courtroom exchange.
6, State versus Deshavion Cole. Did you understand you're charged with tampering or fabricating with physical evidence with intent to impair as a third-degree felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 8 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. There's no application for deferred adjudication. The state recommends community supervision. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so this is the run concurrent with 2025 CC 008119. Did you understand that to be the plea? Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 8 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours community service restitution, MRT, the gun safety course, GED or high school diploma, gang evaluation, and ISP and random UAs. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead?
Good.
So what is his criminal history?
1 second.
He is 17.
At this point, the courtroom pauses on a crucial detail. Cole's age, just 17. Now, legally, that's the threshold between juvenile and adult responsibility in many states. But here, the court treats him as an adult, meaning the stakes are much higher. His juvenile record, assault, larceny, and stolen property now frames the judge's perception. It's a pivotal moment. The court must decide if Devian is a misguided teen or a repeat offender unwilling to change. Legally, this sets the tone for the sentencing that's about to come.
He's 17.
Okay.
He has predominantly juvenile criminal history, Your Honor, from what I remember. It's all out of another state, so what I can tell you is it's kind of limited as far as.
No, I mean, what is the juvenile
It's
history?
he's been charged with, I just don't know what the dispositions are. He's been charged with a misdemeanor level assault, domestic violence. It says that it was the juvenile order of guilt, but not reported as a conviction.
Okay.
Larceny.
Mhm.
Another larceny. Receiving stolen property. Assault. Another assault.
Okay. Why were you in Michigan?
That's where I'm from.
All right. So, but no, it says that you left Michigan to come here.
Yeah.
His mother lives here now.
Oh, I'm sorry. No.
Yes. So,
Yeah, my mother lives here now.
all right. So is she the one who brought you to Michigan with her?
I'm sorry, Judge.
Oh, the reason why I'm asking is because in this, the police asked you, why did you have a gun? And you said because of things that had happened in Michigan.
Oh no, I'm sorry if you misunderstood. If they misunderstood, but it was something that happened here. It was something that happened here as well.
So,
May I think I understand a little bit about the background. If I understand correctly, correct me if I'm wrong. He was shot and
Yeah.
then he was sent to Michigan where I think his father lives or a family member lives to.
No, I was shot last year, like after moving here. I lived in Michigan my whole life.
so in Michigan, who lived with you in Michigan?
My father.
All right. So your mom didn't live with you in Michigan.
No, my mom, she did up until 2021. My mother moved here and I moved with my father.
So your mother moved to Texas.
Yes.
And you stayed in Michigan with your father?
Yes, ma'am.
So why did you leave Michigan?
I left Michigan to move here. My mother and my father recently just passed away.
No, but I mean before that, because in here, there's a statement from your father to the police saying that you didn't want to follow his rules in Michigan.
That's
I mean, that's what it says in the police report.
I left Michigan because my mother if she was here, she was a, but my mother, she wanted me, she didn't feel that my father was fit.
What's in the police report is your father is saying that he had previously lost another child by accidentally driving and hitting them.
No,
And then, I'm sorry, go ahead.
that was my mother. That was my little sister on my mother's side.
All right, then this police report is all wrong.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Judge.
No, no, no.
It's hard to understand.
No, I mean, then the police report isn't written correctly because I'm just reading what is in the police report. And I'm trying to figure out why would you have a gun in your.
Here's where the story takes an emotional turn. The firearm. The judge presses for clarity. Why would a teenager, recently shot, still keep a gun at home? This is a common crossroads in criminal law, self-preservation versus illegal possession. The defendant's explanation, fear and trauma, may be genuine, but it doesn't erase the legal consequences. The judge's tone shifts from inquiry to frustration, highlighting how the cycle of violence often traps young defendants. And for the audience, consider this. When fear drives a teenager's actions, where should accountability truly begin?
Bedroom at your mom's house.
Yeah, that's because, oh, I'm sorry.
No, go ahead.
That's because last year, after moving from Michigan, I was shot recently here, not in Michigan, here.
And what happened in that case?
I was walking outside my house, like people were shooting at each other. I was caught in the crossfire.
So do you have gang affiliation?
No, man,
All right. So, and what's with all this juvenile stuff?
that was me being a young, dumb kid.
I mean, well, it seems like you're still doing that because I still don't understand why you have a gun in your house. Did you tell your mom there was a gun in the house?
No.
And then your brother gets shot with the gun and you're trying to cover it up. Then your mom ends up getting arrested. And I understand tensions run high, her child's been shot,
Yes,
but you're just bringing chaos to your house.
yes, man. I understand.
How far did you go in school?
To the 10th grade.
All right,
But-
why?
Oh, because like those juvenile cases, I was in school in juvenile. So like out of juvenile school, like 10th grade, but I'm really in the 12th grade right now.
Well, I mean, by age, you may be in 12th
No,
grade.
I'm talking
but
about credit work.
Okay. But sometimes by knowledge, not 12th grade. So before you were taken into custody, were you in school?
No, man,
Why not?
because the school year was ending and I just moved here. So my mom and we were moving like a lot of places. So we were trying to find out which school would be best for me.
All right, why are you all moving in a lot of places?
Because I'm sorry, but I had recently, like I said, I had got shot. So we were moving away from there. Cause I was going to start school and then I got shot. My mom didn't want me like around because the area we were in was not a good area. So we moved and it was a school right by my house. I actually was starting to go.
All right, in your 17 years, you have done nothing with your life but cause chaos, confusion, and hurt. Going in and out of juvenile detention. For what reason? Who knows? What reason is it? We will find out. Why won't you do what's right? Why won't you follow the law?
It's not that, man. It's just
I mean, no, it
As-
is that.
as I got older, I realized like I understand like severity of this case right now. Like I think about it every day. But like I was trying to change my life for the better. Like all that juvenile stuff, like it's been years. Like that was years.
Well, I don't even understand why you were doing juvenile stuff. I don't understand that. Life is simple. You go to school, get your education.
Yes, man.
Unless you're saying your mom is a bad mom, I don't know. I'm not in your household. So then it's you. Why won't you follow rules? And why are you out here tattooing? And what is that? A bag with money on it?
Yes, man.
What's that supposed to mean?
It's just I just like the tattoo.
It's not that tattoo has not been done well. And let me just tell you, everybody out here with all of these tattoos, that's fine. Get your tattoos, but then deal with the consequences. Don't come back and say somebody won't give me a job because they're looking at me because of my tattoos. That's all on you.
Yes,
And what is the tattoo of the name across your eyebrow?
that is my little sister that passed away, man.
All right. So Why put it above your eye?
I was young when I got this tattoo. I
How
felt
old?
like I was 15 at the time.
All right, so you're 15 years old. Who is letting you get a tattoo? Your mom?
No, I didn't live. That's when I lived with my father.
Your father said,
That's why-
oh, your father took you to the tattoo shop and allowed you to have a tattoo?
No, man.
So you're not obeying anybody's rules. You're just doing what you want to do, acting as though you're an adult. Have you ever had employment?
Yes, man.
Doing what?
I worked here. Actually, it was like a month before I got locked up. I worked for Zenith Promotions. We worked for a project called the Parker Project. We help families with kids with cancer. We raise money for them and stuff like that. So to go like tell family pay for like transportation, food, housing, stuff.
How are
like
you
that.
raising money?
It's like donate, like it's community funded basically. Like like you see those people that stand outside of the stores like Walmart and stuff.
Mhm.
And we got like waivers.
Let me just tell you, if I place you on probation, that's going to be something that you do in your spare time. That's not going to be your employment.
Yes, I understand.
You are very lucky that your brother didn't die.
I understand. I think about that every day.
All right, the court is going to sentence you to
And there it is, 8 years in prison, suspended for probation. The court grants Devion Cole a rare second chance. With strict conditions, community service, education, employment, and total prohibition on firearms. This ruling reflects the justice system's delicate balance between punishment and rehabilitation. From a legal standpoint, the judge's decision shows remarkable restraint, holding Cole accountable while giving him room to reform. But beyond the law, this case is a reflection of larger social issues: youth violence, family breakdowns, and the power of judicial intervention. If you found this case as thought-provoking as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real courtroom breakdowns and legal analysis.